catch 'em all.
Hi guys, welcome back to Whisker Trading. So I know I promised videos on a Saturday and Sunday this week. There's a bit of issues with some videos. For some reason I just couldn't get them to load up on my laptop or computer to edit them. And yeah, but they run fine on what it's recording on, so I don't quite understand it, but yeah. So you got a video on Saturday. This video is up today, Monday. So I do apologise. As you can see, I got the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash started, and this was basically the next set of Sword and Shield. As you know, I play Sword and Shield. And today I'm gonna just open some of these up here. Yeah, so I'm gonna take off on one side, how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do a little 10-pack video today. Take my random pack out. And with all due care, I suppose we get a crack on with it. But remember guys, like, subscribe and share the video. So there's that for you onliners. Fire. Oh, it's arch rival. Well, no. Fire, yeah. You know what I mean guys, you know what I mean. Toxel, Litwick, Latode, or Latod, Clefairy, Voltorb, first holo, Meditative, whatever it is, and a holo. I will be getting Steve. That's not too bad. I do actually have one of them. But yeah. Coders for your onliners. Water. Oh, steel. So I did actually manage to pack a couple of nice videos, nice cards in the videos that I can't show. Maybe at a later point I'll actually bring those cards and just show you in a short video of what I got. Electro Buzz. Oh yes, that's nice there. The Copper Jar VMAX as well. I do like that. I do like the artwork on that as well guys. That is quite nice artwork. Case up for that. Some with the Rillaboom on the front there. Oh yeah, I'll sort of focus out on my camera, man. It's doing my nutting. It focuses when it wants to. Sometimes it just don't want to focus. I've got to manually do it, so I do apologise. God there. Oh, I forgot to do it. I apologise. Double blade, little breathe. Galarian, Mr. Mime, P-Dub, whatever his name is, first holo, Sonya, and just a regular Sissimitude. I'm not even going to go there with a little gag to that. It seems like a bit of hard pack to get into. Okay, card guys. No, I nearly didn't do it then. I'm gonna go electric. Wow, so close as well. And that too. Beat the reverse hollow, Galarian, Mr. Mime. Oh! A Dragapult V. That is nice there, guys. I do actually like that card. There we go. Sorry, guys, I just got off from. Do it myself. Yeah, nice. I don't know how many packs we've opened so far. We've opened 4 packs. I got a VMAX, a V, and a Holo. Rare. So it's not too bad, guys. Quite good, I suppose. Seen a few people open these onliners. And not get up to anything really in a lot of the packs. Grass, fighting, Kershaw, Fallings, Cypher, Nose Pass, Wingle, Coffin, Bronzor. Absolutely, so yeah, that was a bit of not a great regular rare in there. Card there for you onliners. Water. Oh, Capture Energy. You already seen that one. Voltorb. Vulpix there. Coffin. Fairy and a regular rare in that pack. So as you can see, I probably haven't got quite open the luckiest packs here. Not gonna lie. Code card for you onliners. Fighting. Suckle. Dan. Good old Dan. Twin Energy. Shink. Gamask. Applin. So many of these names are so hard, though. First Holo Electrode and a regular rare Arcanine. Code card. Let me know if any of you viewers actually play online as well, and if my code cards are actually coming in any use to you. That'd be nice to know. I'm gonna go Darkness again. Lampent. Oh, mine. Growler. We all have a Growler. Reverse Holo there. Good. And just a regular rare again. Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nougat, Galarian, Meowth, Circuit, Magikarp. I do like the artwork with that Magikarp, Pikachu in the background there, but I do got to laugh at this artwork. I got to show you this, guys, because I noticed this on a pool the other day that I done. And if you actually look at the artwork, look at that Pikachu. Look. What's Pikachu been eating? Look how fat he is. What's going on with that? But, yeah. But yeah, I do like the artwork. There's a few artworks in some of these cards and packs that I've seen where you get a double Pokemon in the Pokemon, but it's not in the name, if you know what I mean. It's not a tag team or anything. I do like that. First Holo Cypher and a Galarian Persia, or however you say it. I don't. That's another name that I don't. A lot of people pronounce it differently. So this is the last pack. So remember, hashtag last pack luck, guys. There's that for the onliners. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go for Psychic. Oh, it's got to get pulled out of this Metapod. Tool Scrapper, Dan again, with all picks. Farfetch there, glaring me out for Caterpie, and a Charjabug reverse hollow, and a Grimson Snarl, however you pronounced that, reverse hollow. So I've over 10 packs, guys, and I've got two hollows, sorry, a V and a VMAX. So if I'm honest with you guys, 10 packs, I don't think that's that bad. I think that's quite a good pulls. Like I said, I do apologise, guys, for the videos and how it's all messed up. I was a little bit late also saying that the video had been released and everything. It's just been a bit of a nutty weekend for me. Been a bit busy, so I do apologise. Once again, thanks for watching. This is Wizkid Trading. See you later.